Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Maverick XL, coming in this nice Oxford white coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice tow hitch, backup camera of course. Moving to the front, we do have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got a 12-volt outlet right there, a nice little hook. And of course, if you need more storage, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again. Your gas cap opener there, tailgate light, and lights right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 14 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle-free menu, voice, phone, media. You have your volume and mute, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have your comm screen, which has your kilometers per hour, digital speedometer, fuel economy, comm screen, what station you're currently on, what phone's connected, settings of the vehicle such as information and all this fun stuff. Trip 1, Trip 2 is also in there, and my view again. And looking over here, we do have our gear shift with 2 cup holders, storage, more storage there, more additional storage with the USB and USB-C and a 12-volt. You have your parking brake, drive modes, traction, and auto hold, with your drive modes being normal, tow and haul, slippery, eco, and sport. And continue your look here, you got storage there, as well as right there. We got a nice leather wrap center console with a ton of storage right there. You have your main screen here, which you have what station you're currently on, what device is connected. You have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, any apps you may have downloaded, and your settings, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, auto updates, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA99045, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.